Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante, and in today's video we're going to talk about linking your Facebook Messenger to your GCash account. Now, first thing that you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger, and on the search bar just type GCash official, then tap on the icon or thumbnail for GCash. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Get Started. Now, there are a couple of options you will see at the bottom. Now, you can either start an account if you don't have an existing GCash account, or you can tap on I have an account if you already have a GCash account. For this tutorial, I'll choose I have an account. And you will notice that Facebook Messenger automatically detects if I have other services like PayMaya that's connected to my Messenger. And yeah, unfortunately, you can only keep one. So what I'll do now is to tap on Unlink PayMaya so I can link GCash. And then tap one more time to confirm you're unlinking PayMaya. The next step after unlinking your PayMaya account is to supply your GCash phone number. Then tap Continue. Then tap Yes to confirm that your number is correct. You will have to wait for an SMS verification code, and once you receive that, just fill out the field with the code so that you can continue with the process. And finally, enter your 4-digit GCash PIN number. Alright, so congratulations, you've officially linked your GCash account with Facebook Messenger. A couple of things you can do on Messenger include balance inquiry, you can buy and load, you can send money, or you can even pay bills. However, just a quick reminder, please take note that at this time, bills payment is only available for Android users. So for those who are making use of Apple or iOS devices, that's not available at this time. So that's a 2-minute tutorial on how to link GCash with Facebook Messenger. Be sure to leave your comments, questions, and/or suggestions. For more videos on e-wallets, check out our video playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day.